Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about the concept of monotonic preference. So this is the last concept of second chapter. In second chapter I covered all the concept. One concept is remaining, that is geometric measures of elasticity along a linear demand curve. That is the concept which explains how you got A divided by 2B. That is the explanation of elasticity along a linear demand curve, which concept I have done already yesterday. Yesterday, which concept you have studied, for that this is the explanation which explains geometric measure. That means by using the equation and mathematics, how you got that point. So no need of that point to like giving more importance, because it is just a explanation for another concept. So monotonic preference, this concept they will ask for 2 marks. Sometimes they will ask for the meaning of monotonic preference. That time you have to know what is the meaning of monotonic preference. A consumer's preference are monotonic if and only if between any two bundles. So monotonic preference, it comes only there are two bundles are available. So it is if and only between two bundles, it is only about two bundles. Monotonic preference, it is about two bundles. He prefers the bundle which has more of at least one of the good. So he is going to prefer which is having one of the more good, which commodities are available in more quantity. Always the consumer preference above the least one, he will choose the more which is available for him. Good. And no less of other good as compared in the other bundle. So when the bundles are available in front of the consumer, so he will compare this bundle with each other. Which bundle is available in the more quantity, he will choose that commodity, and which commodity is available at a lesser quantity, he will deny or he will reject that commodity. So in front of him there are so many bundles are kept. In that he will choose the bundle which is having more quantity or which is having more number of commodity above the less one. ಸೊ ಮೊನೊಟೊನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 100 ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ 10 ಅಥವಾ 90 ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಆ 100 ಬಂಡಲ್ ಇರುವ ಚಾಯ್ಸನ್ನು ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, 90 ಇರುವ ಚಾಯ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೊನೋಟಾನಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಮೊನೋಟಾನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರುವುದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರುವುದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So example, consumer preference bundle is 2:3 to the bundles 2, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 2. These are the bundles which are available. Now what consumer will do? He will go for the higher preference. So he will always choose 2,3 because 2,3 is the highest bundle which is available for the consumer. So you add 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3. So obviously he is going to choose which is available at a higher quantity, that is 2 3. Monotony okay, so monotonicity of preferences implies that a point above IC represents, so IC means indifference curve, represents a bundle which is preferred the bundle on IC, which is preferred on the bundle indifference curve. So a monotonic preference, always it explained that above the indifference curve it represents a indifference curve which is giving the maximum satisfaction, he will always opt the indifference curve which is having higher satisfaction. So that will be monotonicity which he is going to prefer. So monotonicity of preference implies that a point above the indifference curve presented a bundle which is preferred to the bundle on indifference curve. So that means always he is going to prefer the curve which is above or which is on the higher level. Okay, so here there are two graphs, the first graph and second graph. So in first graph they are explaining that the IC3 is having higher bundle, IC2 is lesser and IC1 is the lowest one. So in monotonic, what he will do? The consumer always go for the combination of IC3 because it is a higher indifference curve. He will choose the highest one. Monotonic preference means that a rational consumer, rational means who always want maximum satisfaction, rational consumer always prefer more of a commodity as it offered him a higher level of satisfaction. So always he goes for higher level of satisfaction. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮೊನೋಟೋನಿಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಯಾರು ಗ್ರಾಹಕನಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತೃಪ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ಇಂಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಥವಾ ಐಸಿ ಕರ್ವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೊನೋಟೋನಿಕ್ preferences essentially says that more is preferred to less. So always they will go for more, not for less. When preferences are monotone, weak monotonic preferences, the consumer prefers more of both goods. So always he will go for more of one particular commodity. That we are going to study under monotonic preference. So here in second graph there is IC1 and IC2, that is B. So always we will go for IC2, that is B point, not for A point. In first graph we will go for the C point which will give higher the utility, that is IC3. So this is a simple concept. So whatever is there in the PPT, you write it down. It just come for 2 marks. Thank you students. So understand this concept. If you are having any doubt, you can clarify with me.